In order to give students access to your Moodle page, you need to set up an enrolment key. So go over to the administration panel on the left-hand side of your screen, click on Users, and click on Enrolment Methods. And you'll see you have a self-enrollment for students method here, but you'll see that it's grayed out compared to the manual enrolment. If you come over to the little icon here and click Enable, that will make the method active. Then click on the Edit key. You need to change very few settings here, so leave the custom instance alone, allow existing enrolments as yes, allow new enrolments as yes, but click into Enrolment Key and set up your enrolment key. To view the enrolment key, just click on the magnifying glass. And I would suggest not to put too many upper or lower cases in the enrolment key because the students might become confused with it. Leave user group enrolment keys as no. The default is set to student, that's fine. Don't put in an enrolment duration, leave that alone. Enable the start date, but don't enable the end date. And leave unenroll inactive after as never. Then scroll down the page and click Save Changes. You then tell the student what the enrolment key that you set is, and when they click into Moodle and they put in the name of your course, they'll be prompted to enter the enrolment key for the first time, and then they'll be enrolled. You'll also want to make sure that your course page is visible. So go back to your course page, go up to the settings cog, and click on Edit Settings. Come down to Course Visibility and make sure that it's on Show. When you get your page originally, it's on Hide to allow you to work on it until such time as you're ready to display it to the students. Scroll down and click Save and Display. Now your course should be ready for the students to view.